Okay, today I'm going to show you my duct tape wallet that I just made. As you can see here, made a lot of mess. Duct tape scattered around everywhere. But it was all worth it. It only took me about 10 or 15 minutes. Actually, yeah, 30 to 45 minutes. And here it is. Okay. It's pretty ugly. Money. Credit card patches. 2, 3, 4. And then one more credit card pouch. And then an ID pouch. Okay. Now you can learn to make one of these on the video below in the description. But I didn't use the video. This is just a video that can help you. Like I didn't like the ID pouch was not in the video. I just took a old page protector and cut a little piece out of it and then taped it to the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.